This is Parallax, an AI powered UX testing tool. Today, most teams either ship without real user testing or they run slow, expensive usability studies. That means critical UX issues slip into production. Parallax lets you run realistic, multi persona UX tests on your live product in minutes using agentic multimodal AI instead of human testers. The core idea is simple. You describe a task and your target users, and Parallax spins up multiple AI personas that browse your site like real people. It captures every click, scroll, and scream, then turns that into a UX journey replay and an actionable report. On the left, you can see recent runs, and across the top, we have three views: live test to watch agents in real time, journey replay to step through what they did, and UX report to see the synthesized insights and prioritized fixes. Let's run a new test. I'll choose the GitHub trending repository task from the quick presets and choose a few personas: a non-technical retired teacher, a power user comparing tools, and a user whose primary language is not English. When I click Start Test, Parallax launches separate AI agents for each persona. They actually browse the real website using vision to understand each page and reasoning to decide what to click next. Here you can see the run streaming in real time. Each persona is independently exploring the interface, clicking navigation, scrolling, opening menus, and taking different paths through the flow. We capture screenshots and structured logs for every step, including the agent's reasoning, why it clicked something, what confused it, and whether it thinks it's closer to completing the task. Because this is multimodal, the agents are literally looking at each screen, not just reading HTML. That lets them point out issues like low contrast text, hidden CTAs, or confusing layout. Once a run finishes, you can inspect each persona's journey. In Journey Replay, we show a step-by-step timeline, every screen they saw, where they clicked, and their commentary. Because these are structured, you can quickly compare journeys across personas, who succeeded, who abandoned, and where they got stuck. Finally, Parallax synthesizes everything into an UX report. It clusters issues across personas, scores them by severity and impact, and generates concrete recommendations. Parallax turns AI agents into always available UX testers, giving you real time, multimodal feedback on your product before users ever feel the pain. That's faster iteration, fewer UX regressions, and a much better experience for your customers.